It's a shopping day in Jamaica Queens, and the fun you can find. It's not a street fair day, but the vendors are always out, and you will find unique shops. Traditional home outlet. They don't have stores everywhere. They buy stuff from closeouts, often have great prices. If you're coming for clothes shopping, especially ladies clothes shopping, some of the places have bins, $3, everything in this box. And plus, you're exploring I Love New York. How do you get here? Last stop on the E train, last stop on the F train, last stop on the J train, last stop on the Z train. Where are we? 162nd Street, Jamaica Avenue. Keep walking through a bit more. Now, I have walked Jamaica Avenue pretty far from where we are today. I found a very flourishing Honduras community. So if you enjoy some of the cuisine of Isla Roatan or Honduras, this will be a spot for you. Not specifically this area, but in this direction. Also bus options to get to Jamaica Queens. I had a friend who visited New York who loved the food carts and had a food craving and asked me if I could send them a picture of one of the New York food carts. Some people won't shop at them, others love them. There's also a mini mall coming up here where you can find oils, incense, fabrics, and clothes of the Caribbean. Discount jewelry, also something very prevalent here in Jamaica. And I am heading back towards the subway in this direction. Till next time, keep exploring from ever beautiful. I love New York.